What's up, Wayland? It's Professor Hall, obviously. I just wanted to chime in and let you know how excited I am about this class. I was just checking through the Grade Center to make sure that everything's updated from your single source essay. This is the first semester. I tried a little bit different take on single source essay by allowing students to select an article of their own choosing rather than the ones that were in the textbook that we used to use. And the ones in the textbook that we used to use, I didn't think touched on enough topics. And oh my gosh, am I ever glad I did. Your single source essays were so good. Y'all, you've worked so hard. You've done everything I've asked you to do to help me show you how brilliant you are. What more could I possibly ask for? Now we're getting ready to do the topic proposals, and that's due this coming Sunday. And I have several Zoom sessions set up with you who have requested them to talk about your topics. And this is so exciting for me. I can't wait to read. I'm sorry, I just can't wait to read what your approach is going to be. Remember, you want 3 research methods, and that needs to show up in your proposal because at the end of the day, that's the name of the game in this course, and that's why I am such a stickler for that works cited format. And sometimes you go, oh, the format was off. So what? Who cares? The information was there. Well, it does matter because this is research writing. So I need to make sure that that works cited is completed. And on EasyBib, it's so easy. All you have to do is remember to click export as a Word doc so that you get it formatted completely, and make sure that we have those vetted sources that are legitimate. You know, we've just seen in the world, things get posted and published that have absolutely no factual basis, and yet it's just rampant. And so for our class, we're going to prove the things that we say by showing a vetted and source with integrity that shows that factual information. And even then we have to deal with bias, which means what slant did they want to take, that sort of thing. So anyway, we're going to do that, and I need a couple things from you. Below this video, you're going to see some sign-up times for an optional Zoom meeting that I'm going to do Thursday of this week and one session on Friday. If you'd like to come, that's fine. If you don't want to come, you don't have to come at all. I'm not taking attendance. I do need to require that on your screen that you have your name as it is written in this course, because students are coming in from all the classes that I teach. We're going to be talking about thesis statements. We're going to talk about narrowing a focus. We're going to talk about whatever, any questions anybody has that might suit you. You can zoom in, you can zoom out. It doesn't matter to me. And but I want to offer that to you just because sometimes that little face-to-face instruction is better than a tutorial. I find myself getting very frustrated with tutorials when I watch them, and I want to just zoom ahead, especially if they start off and they're talking slow. This tutorial is going to, so anyway, and I don't know that I don't do that sometimes. So that's going to be below this video. I also am sending you that little email link to me. I just need you to tell me how you are. I worry. The world is upside down, and I'm sorry, but I worry. And also in that little email that you jot to me, because I'm getting ready to set up my spring courses. And this is the first semester that I have used this organization where you come in directly to the modules, and I have the tutorials, and then I have the assignments, and then the study materials. And I just need from you, I know you'll be filling out an evaluation later on in the semester, and that's fine too. But I just need a little quick information from you about how you are finding everything in the course. Are you finding everything you need? Is there one thing that's that I could tweak a little bit to make it better? Or is there something that's really working well? That kind of thing, just to let me know. All right, and I'll give you bonus points for that. So just send me that little email. The times for the Zoom meeting are below, and I hope to see you there. And if I don't see you there, please know it's no problem. And the last thing, and I say it every time, and I'm going to say it till the end of days, you deserve a right to an education and to help me prove to you that you're brilliant. I know the colors exercise, everybody goes, brilliant. Is it really? Well, when you write this essay, the answer will be a definitive yes. Yes. And so make sure that you've read all the instructions, the checklist. Make sure you've selected those correct images. The qualitative analysis tutorials are important. That is as important to an essay as anything else. So graphs, charts, images, that sort of thing. All right. And the actual tutorial of me doing the Woodstock essay is fine if you want to use it. It's just there to enhance for you. It's not something that you have to watch. But the information that's in the course, I do need for you to study. All right? Yay! I'm excited. Just 2 things left. We just have the proposal, and then we have the annotated bibliography, and then we have the final essay. I can't wait. Anyway, thank you all for being so awesome. What a delightful group. I appreciate you so much, and I look forward to hearing from you in the next day with a response so I know how you're doing. Okay, that's it.